The Sun, our closest star, is an ever-active cosmic powerhouse. While it bathes us in warmth and light, it also occasionally unleashes ferocious storms capable of disrupting our modern way of life. NASA, the United States' premier space agency, is sounding the alarm. A colossal solar storm is predicted to strike Earth in 2025. This news has ignited curiosity and concern, prompting us to explore the potential implications of such an event and the measures being taken to mitigate its impact. Solar storms generated by the Sun's temperamental behavior represent a potent yet unpredictable cosmic threat to our technologically dependent world. These storms are primarily driven by two solar phenomena: solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. Solar flares are explosive bursts of energy on the Sun's surface, releasing intense X-rays and ultraviolet radiation. They can disrupt radio communications and navigation systems, potentially affecting air traffic control and maritime operations. Coronal mass ejections, on the other hand, are massive clouds of charged particles and magnetic fields ejected into space. When these CMEs collide with Earth's magnetic field, they can induce geomagnetic storms that have the power to overload power grids, disrupt satellites, and compromise global positioning systems, GPS. The most famous solar storm incident occurred in 1859, known as the Carrington event. It was so powerful that it caused telegraph systems to fail, with operators receiving shocks and sparks from their equipment. As our reliance on technology deepens, understanding and mitigating the solar storm threat is crucial. Agencies like NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, continually monitor solar activity, providing early warnings to minimize the potential impact of these cosmic tempests, a key to safeguarding our increasingly interconnected and technologically dependent society. The agency's ability to predict such cosmic events underscores the remarkable strides made in space, science, and technology. NASA, in collaboration with international space agencies and organizations, maintains a vigilant watch over the Sun's behavior to provide timely alerts about potential space weather threats. The significance of NASA's warning lies in its potential to mitigate the impact of a solar storm on our technology-driven society. NASA's proactive stance not only underscores its commitment to space exploration, but also its dedication to safeguarding life on Earth. The consequences of a massive solar storm striking Earth can be far-reaching and profound, potentially disrupting various aspects of our modern way of life. 1. Power grid disruptions. Solar storms can induce geomagnetic storms that affect power grids. These disturbances can lead to widespread blackouts, leaving homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure without electricity. Restoration can be a lengthy and costly process. The disruption of satellite-based communication and navigation systems, including GPS, can disrupt transportation, emergency response, and global commerce. Airline operations, maritime navigation, and even military operations may be compromised. Elevated radiation levels during solar storms pose health risks to astronauts in space and passengers on long-haul flights at high altitudes. Protective measures and rerouting may become necessary. Space missions and scientific instruments in Earth's orbit may be exposed to increased radiation, potentially affecting their functionality and lifespan. While the likelihood of a catastrophic solar storm is relatively low, its potential impact is significant, necessitating continuous monitoring, preparedness, and infrastructure resilience to mitigate its effects. The countdown to 2025 continues, and with it, our collective determination to weather the solar storm and emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before.